Grabe. 100%. 100% better. Alright. Every day. Worst every day for 1 year. 0.99. 365 years. Kasi 0.03%. 1% better every day for 1 year. This is the result given by the Atomic Habits, uh, mga ka-idol. There we go. Drop. Results, 1% improvement, 1% decline to the time figure. So, explanation for this matter is the effects of a small habits compound over time. For example, if you can get just 1% better each day, you'll end up with results that are nearly 37 times better after 1 year. Alright. So, this is a broad and a very, what is that as, um, very good idea coming from this figure class. Ay, mga ka-idol. Tatagalog lang natin mga ka-idol ha. Skip on your skills and then develop it, and then what is your good habits all the time by the day. Improve. Because one of my very favorite, what is that? My favorite writer, John Dewey, sabi niya, always explore and then always, what is that? Learning is a process daw. Doing it. Ganun, yung sinabi niya. Alright, habits is compound interest of self-improvement. Yan. Self-improvement. The same way that money multiplies through compound interest. The effect of your habits multiply as you repeat them. They easy to make it different. Alright? Difference on any given time or day, and yet impact they deliver over the months and years can be enormous. It is only when looking back 5 or perhaps 10 years later then the value of good habits and the cost of bad one comes strikingly apparent. This can be a difficult concept to appropriate in daily life. We often dismiss small changes because they don't seem to matter very much in the moment. If you save little money, now you're still not a millionaire. If you go to the gym 3 days in a row, you're still out of shape. If you study Mandarin for an hour tonight, you still haven't learned the language. We make a few, alright, a few, what do you mean about that one? A few, alright, a few changes, but the results never seems to come quickly, and so we'll slide back into our previous routines. Unfortunately, the slow pace, a pace of transformation also makes it is easy to let a bad habit slide. If you eat an unhealthy meal today, the skill doesn't move much. If you work late tonight and ignore your family, they will forgive you. If you procrastinate and put your project off until tomorrow, there will usually the time to finish it later. Ito na yung sinasabi na mamaya na habits. Okay? Procrastinate and put your project off until tomorrow. Wag na, mamaya na lang, ganun yung mga examples nito. A single decision is easy to dismiss, and then also, yung palaging reklamo. Okay? We are going to set aside na lang kung hindi natin kaya po yung work natin, pwede naman natin say no tayo. Hindi naman yun makakawala ng ating di ba, integridad, at saka hindi naman yun makakawala ng ating pagkatao or either sa salary natin. Okay? Because we are not a robot. Ang robot nga nagpapahinga nga eh, di ba? So, ang machine nga nagpapahinga nga eh. Ayun. But when we are repeating the percent errors, day after day, we're replicating poor decision, replicating tiny mix. Oy, sorry. Tiny mistake and rationalizing little excuses or small choices compound into toxic result. It's accumulation of many misstep. A 1% decline here, there, that eventually leads to a problem. Alright. So makes it seems to be, kung kapagod ka na, pwede ka na magpahinga, sabi ng asawa ko, ng wifey ko, pahinga ka lang dyan, okay, because you are very tired. Whole things. Ang sabi ko naman, need ko ng rest. Okay? The impact created by changes in your habits is similar to the effect of shifting the route of airplane by just a degree. Imagine you are flying from Los Angeles to New York City. If a pilot living from LAX 3.5 degrees south, you will land at Washington DC instead of New York. Such as small changes is barely noticeable at takeoff. The nose of airplane moves just a few feet, but when magnified across the entire United yan. Na similar sa experience din ito ni ng author na si James Clear na sinasaad niya dito. If you do not shift into a routine of degree, kung ilan ng milya na ba yung tinatakbuhan o nililipad ng aeroplano mo, hindi mo alam, babagsak talaga yun. Alright? If you are going to shift that one into the right direction, possible na it's good will be happen. Okay? Ito yung na-emphasize ni Juan dito. Marami pa tayong matutunan dito, mga ka-idol. Your cons and improvement for you or against you. Okay, moments that make up a lifetime. These choices determine the difference between who you are, who you could be success, and the product on the daily habits. Not only one lifetime transformation. Yan. Wala na itong mamanya na habits. Okay, ang dami naming mga books na every month po. May in-order, every week may in-order yung anakins ko, dalawa kami na binabasa namin yun. Pagkatapos niya basahin yung isa, ako na naman, tapos ulitin, sabi ko sa kanya kung hindi niya maintindihan yung words, so make it possible na nandiyan naman si Google o nandiyan naman si dictionary. Kung tama rin ka mag-connect sa dictionary, mas mabilis naman yung Google natin ngayon o yung internet natin ngayon, kasi scan mo lang para makuha mo yung kung hindi mo alam sa pwede mo yan i-translate sa Bisaya or sa Tagalog. Alright. Yan. That is a very, very little explanation about that matter. Simple lang ba? Simple way. Basic lang kaayo siya. Okay? Sige. Until next time. Bye-bye.